Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Together. Okay, I hope everyone doing good. So without any delay, let's start our video. Have you heard of Git and GitHub but never really understood what they are? In this video, I'll explain Git and GitHub from scratch in a simple and practical way. No confusion, only clarity. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Git and GitHub are, how to use them, and how to push your project to GitHub step by step. Let's start with Git. Git is a version control system. This means it helps us track changes in files over time. For example, if you are writing code and make a mistake, Git can help you go back to the previous working version. It is like having an undo button for your entire project, but much more powerful. It is used mostly by developers to collaborate, manage source code, and avoid losing important work. How Git actually works. With Git versus without Git. Now, what is GitHub? GitHub is a website where you can store your Git repositories online. Think of it as a cloud storage for your Git tracked projects. Git helps you manage versions on your system, and GitHub allows you to share your work, collaborate with others, and showcase your projects publicly. You can use Git without GitHub, but GitHub needs Git to work. Most developers use both together. Git versus GitHub. Take a look. Installing Git. To start using Git, go to git-scm.com and download Git based on your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once installed, open your terminal and check if Git is installed by typing Git version. If you see the version, Git is installed successfully. Now let's set up your identity. Git needs your name and email to tag your commits. This initializes a Git repository in your folder. Now create a file, say index.html, then run git add index.html. This adds your file to the staging area. Now we save this file with a commit, git commit m initial commit. You can check your Git status with git status. Follow these steps to upload your project. So that's how you use Git and GitHub from scratch, create a repo, track changes, and upload it online. In the next video, I'll explain how to use Git branches, merge, and collaborate on GitHub. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment your doubt, and subscribe for more tutorials.